Y'all, fast forward to 289. So tonight we're working on my 68 fairlane. Put a tachometer in the dash, and the way I did it is I found a tack that fit perfectly inside the hole. From the going from the outside in. Then I took a piece of heater hose, cut it in half, split it, and then I took a hose clamp around it, and it is solid. It's in there nice and tight. It is not going anywhere. Then I made me a wiring harness. It's just a 4-pin trailer plug, but you only got 4 wires on the tack. It works perfect. Did that. Here's the other end to it right there. Yeah, I just tapped into some wires from my power wire, my light wire, ground right here. Of course, run your tack wire out to the dash, or out to the motor, I mean. And then that's all for that part. But it works out really well, and it actually looks really good when you look at it. It fits perfect in the hole. It's like there's a little ring in here. Oh, let's see if I can get it. A little ring right here, and that bezel on the tack fits perfect inside that ring, like it was made for it. And then you just wire it up. Works out really well. Also, as a quick note, just want to tell you, when you're hooking up a tack, aftermarket tack, the factory tacks usually had they would hook to the positive side, the coil, you know. They wired a little differently, but aftermarket tacks, and I'm sure this is, you probably already know this, and if not, your instructions will tell you, but you want to make sure you hook your tack wire, the one that goes to the coil, on the negative side of the coil, not the positive. Hook it on the negative side, which is generally a green wire like it is on this one. So, okay, so this is the finishing part of the tack. I got it installed, wired up, everything looks good, got my wires run nice and neat, put the dash back in, works perfect, as you can see. And I think it looks really good. The only thing, if I had anything to really gripe about, is that the dash lights are green and that is white, obviously, and this one you cannot change it. It's not like the old tacks where you can pull the bulb out and change the bulb, or paint the bulb, or whatever. It has LEDs, and the only way I could change the color is to take it apart, unsolder the LEDs, and solder new LEDs in, which I might do sometime in the future. But for now, I'm not gonna worry about it. It's not as bright. It's not super bright. Like, it's manageable. So, and eventually I'm gonna upgrade these to LEDs, green LEDs anyway, so they'll be brighter too, to match the brightness of that tack. Just a different color, and which those are white too, so it'll match them. But looks good. It fills out the dash now instead of just having an empty hole. You actually have something that I can use now. So I think it turned out well. Comment below, tell me what you think. If you've done this to your 68 or 9 Torino, and if you like the way I mounted the tack in, give me some other ideas of how you may have mounted your tack, or how you would have mounted it. Give me some other ideas. Maybe I'll go back and change it if I like it better. The way I did it works pretty well. Like, it is not moving. It's solid as a rock. It is not moving anywhere, so I'm happy with it. But comment below and let me know what you think. And hit like if you like the video. Consider subscribing if you have not already.